A lot of parents will hear a technique, will read about a technique, will hear a coach or something like that, and they'll say, wow, that sounds really great. And then about halfway through it, or the first time or the second time they try to employ this technique, you give up because it doesn't work right away, because you don't feel like it's working. You feel that resistance from your kid. But if we expect the resistance to be there, and if we move forward confidently, taking the lead, knowing that we're going to be successful, and if we guide kids past their comfort zone, past their resistance, but in a respectful way, in a way that has their ownership, and a way where they expect what's going to happen next, they know, so that when it comes time to do that, even though they're feeling frustrated about that, or they really don't feel like doing it, that they're still willing to be guided forward. And that's really important when you're talking about working with a kid who has ADHD, because they are overwhelmed with their emotions. They're managed by their impulses. They do not manage their impulse. They do not have that ability. And it is up to parents to approach them with patience, with kindness, and with understanding. And the point here, parents, is to give your kids lots of positive attention and to give them positive power, meaning the control to make that decision while you're guiding them, so that you put all your energy and effort into stuff that works and into stuff that continues to build a bond and a connection with your child, so that the more you practice it, the easier it gets. Because parents, I know a lot of you are frustrated repeating yourselves and really trying to prompt your child over and over and over to get the same stuff done, and you feel stuck in this vicious cycle. That is exactly why I'm a speaker at TEFOS, the Executive Function Summit for Parents, which is happening August 23rd through August 25th. I'm going to continue to share the link and continue to ask you parents to share this conference with others. It's totally free for the 3 days that it's on. There are more tools that you can purchase, and you could purchase it later at the end, but it's totally free for this upcoming weekend. And you will hear from experts, over 20 experts that work with differently wired kids, who totally get this stuff and who can give you so much insight and so many tools. And you can pick and choose through the videos whichever are relevant for you. I personally will be sharing the 7 systems that parents need in order to help your child nurture your child's executive function, to get along better and to guide them better, so you can parent them more like an executive function coach. And what I mean by that isn't that you're going to have a very easy time parenting, or it's going to be perfect, or whatever. But what I mean by that is you're going to parent confidently, and you're going to have a toolkit where if something's going on that is confusing to you, or is overwhelming or frustrating, your go-to is going to be, okay, I can figure this out, versus, oh my gosh, this is hopeless. It keeps happening over and over again. Alrighty, that's my message for you this week. If you have any questions, if you have any feedback, if you have any other videos that you'd like for me to make, let me know. This channel is for you, and I make these videos to help parents out there with their kids who struggle with ADHD or executive function issues. I'll talk to you soon. Take care.